Hi viewers, in the first video we have gone through prerequisites and syllabus. In this video I will be going through Cypress, and Cypress solves problems compared to other automation tools. Cypress is the next generation front-end automation test tool built for modern web applications. And Cypress is unique compared to any other automation tools like Selenium, Qtp, Protractor, etc. There are so many automation testing tools are available in the market. How it is unique compared to any other tools? If you use Cypress, Cypress is easy to set up and it has doesn't have so many dependencies. If you go for Selenium, if you take an example of Selenium you have to take the jobs, and if you should be very careful and while versioning. So you don't have to, all the problems are solved in Cypress. You don't have to worry about like how to set up the Cypress. And Cypress by default automatically wait elements to change are available. What does it mean? Here I'll go to phptravels.net. When I click on depart here, the backend there is a button is available. Button is search. When you click on this depart, search button is hidden. In case of Selenium or any other tools, you you when after selecting, if this component is not hidden after selecting the search, when the Selenium tries to click on the search button, it will fail. Cypress will force. Cypress will solve these problems. And one more example, I'll go through it. When you have selected all these, when you click on search, it takes time to fetch the data from the server. Cypress will automatically and wait for the response to be displayed. After that, Cypress will click on this book now. In case of Selenium or any other tools, we have to explicitly mention wait time. Next, edge testing can be done by mocking the server response. What does it mean? Edge testing can be done by mocking the server response means we'll go to the F12. I'll take an example from Git Cypress.io. I just click on login. When I click on login, it navigate to login UI. Due to some reason, you can log in through either GitHub or Google. Due to some problem, Google is down or GitHub is down while trying to log in due to some reason. You want to test the functionality. You wanted to mock it. You wanted to fail the scenario. When you click on login, you should get 404. To get 404, you have to mock the HTTP response. How to mock? I will go through it. And while running, Cypress take the screenshots. As your test running, Cypress automatically takes the screenshots. Each and every step it will take. And watch your videos of your test execution in dashboard. You can watch it, all the videos in the dashboard. I'll go through the dashboard. Cypress tests are fast and consistent and reliable due to architecture design. Cypress tests are very fast and consistent. Consistent, what does it mean? If you run a Selenium scripts or any other scripts, if you run more two, three times, it may fail, and it will give same result. Reliable, it will give the same result, and it is fast compared to other frameworks or other tools, automation testing tools, because it's designed differently. The architecture is completely different. And Cypress is built on Node.js. Cypress is built on Node.js and comes with the Node Package Manager. You have to install Cypress using npm. I will explain you how to install the Node.js, and I will help you in like how to what is npm, where it can see. Cypress bundles with jQuery and inherits many features of jQuery for UI identification. Cypress built comes with jQuery. By default, it comes with jQuery and inherit all the features of jQuery for UI component verification. So if you wanted to find any UI component, it uses jQuery features. It inherits the jQuery features. Cypress trends. Cypress is very demand. It's a buzzword, and lot of people are using, and so many people are downloading Cypress nowadays. I'll go through the trends of Cypress. To check these trends, latest trends, you can go to no npm trends here. Select the first link. You can enter the Cypress. It shows the trend, current trend. See, people are downloading. It started from 8, and now the state is 1.155.793. Okay, this is from last down 6 months. You can change it. You can change the 6 months or 1 year or whatnot. It's upward. During this period, it was a bit down, and again it's coming up. I'll go to Cypress, and here you can see the futures of Cypress. Command lag app preview tests, a test runner built for humans, modern testing with cross browser compatibility. Go to the docs. End-to-end integrations tests, integration tests you can write, and you can write the unit tests also. It is fast because I'll go through the how it is fast, and you can see the Cypress all the videos and screenshots in the dashboard, and you can run from test runner. When it comes to futures, these are all the futures Cypress supports. Time travel. Cypress takes snapshot as your test run. Means Cypress takes snapshot of your test run. Uh, Debuggability. You can stop and guessing why your tests are failing. You can stop it and you can guess it why it is failing. I'll go through the debugging. Next, automatic waiting. I told you, like, whenever you search for any, you're trying to book a flight and you go enter the details from 1 to 2 and you have selected the dates, and after when you click on search, it takes some time to get the data from the server. Cypress automatically waits. In other tools, you have to write it. You can mark it. You can mark the network response. This is called edge testing. And suppose you are trying to log in and you wanted to fail, you wanted to see the response of 404. So in real time, you may not get it. You wanted to mark the response, HTTP response with 404. You can mark it. Screenshots and views. You can take the screenshots and views. I'll go through this. Cross browser functionality testing. And today I have completed this. In next video, I will go through the architecture. Thank you guys.